Okay, this is amazing one. But it's cold up here and I'm tired. Maybe time to head to bed?
Good idea. Thank you. Wait for me!
This is a emergency action notification requested by the This is a emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants shall follow activation procedures in the EAS Operation Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or his representative will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
Night one.
Night.